News at 9.
All the boys think she's a spy. She's got Betty Davis eyes.
A growing number of Asian women, both overseas and here at home, are choosing to have eyelid reconstruction. Some want a more Western look, while others say it's more personal. As health reporter Barry Carpenter explains, whatever the reason, it's a real eye-opener.
24-year-old Jennifer Lee is one of a growing number of Asian women who have decided to have eyelid reconstruction. This is her before picture. Pay close attention to the eyes. This is what she looked like a few months after the surgery. Her eyes subtly wider.
My grandmother had it done when she was younger, and my mother had some friends who had it done and were really happy with it, and she never had it done, wish she did.
What's important with this is just to keep a natural look so that she looks more open-eyed.
Plano plastic surgeon Dr. Sam Lam wrote the book on Asian cosmetic surgery. Actually, he's written 2 books in English and Korean. He performs at least 1 eyelid reconstruction a week.
And most oftentimes when children are moving on to adulthood or going into college, when they're transitioning to a different life, it's a time where they, are changing their career paths. I find that to be the most common impetus to do this procedure.
Many Asian women overseas have cosmetic surgery to attain a more Western look, but that's not the case for Jennifer. Her reason was much more practical.
It was always kind of hard, being a little teenage girl wanting to go and try on makeup and stuff like that. It was always difficult to find somebody who could actually apply it correctly and make it look nice.
Detractors say the surgery is an assault on ethnic heritage, but Dr. Lam says there is a global trend where models have many different looks these days. Dr. Lam says his watchwords are ethnic preservation.
I think for whatever procedure you do, for whatever race you do it for, you want to make them look natural and make them look appropriate. So I think that really follows for almost any ethnicity or any race today.
As for Jennifer, she's still the same person before and after.
It wasn't a very big concern for me. I think you can tell by looking at me I'm still an Asian woman.
Eyelid reconstruction isn't just for women anymore. Dr. Lam says about 40% of his patients are now Asian men. The procedure, by the way, costs about